Second day, I'm preparing tea. I crushed and mashed leaves with the hands to release the juice, starting process of fermentation. Then I'm gonna put on a plastic bag and I put in a deep fridge. I use narcissus leaves, pear leaves, peaches leaves, and tarragon leaves. You can mix it with any fruit leaves. Just remember one thing. The fruits that have nuts like peaches, apricots, they have a strong bitter taste. If you like strong tea, then it is for you. The other plants that don't have big seeds, they are nice and sweet taste. It's release the aroma, it smells very nice. And I'm gonna put in a deep fridge, get frozen, and after that I'll take it out, defrost it, and mince